New York, United Nations emergency meeting, cameras on, flag still. In fact, voices very sharp. And all of a sudden, Somaliland explodes onto the global stage. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhruti Athri, and let me tell you what really triggered here. The United States openly backing Israel's right to recognize the Somaliland. Not quietly, not in closed rooms, but inside the UN Security Council. Now, that single move shook the Muslim world and split the entire room. Now, let's slow this down and explain why this really matters. Somaliland. Somaliland is a self declared state. It broke away from Somalia more than 30 years ago. It has its own government, its own currency, its own security forces, but it is not internationally recognized. And Somalia says very clearly that Somaliland is part of us. Now enters Israel, and behind Israel, the United States. At the UN, Deputy US Ambassador Tammy Bruce, he made Washington's position crystal clear. Well, her message was simple and explosive. Israel is a sovereign nation. Like any sovereign nation, it has the right to choose its diplomatic partners. And then came the comparison that set off the alarms. Bruce pointed to countries that have recognized Palestine. If they can do that, she argued, why can't Israel recognize Somaliland here? And that was the matchstick. The fire followed immediately. Well, Russia and China, of course, they had to enter the picture. They didn't just disagree, they went straight for Washington and Tel Aviv. Their accusation? Well, you are tearing apart the Muslim world. You are redrawing borders by force of recognition, and you are playing geopolitics with fragile regions. Now, in diplomatic language, they took the US and Israel to the cleaners. China's warning was blunt. Recognizing Somaliland threatens regional stability and undermines Somalia's sovereignty. Russia echoed it. Borders cannot be changed through selective recognition here. Message delivered loud and clear. Well, after that, the UK stepped in next. London reaffirmed its full support for Somalia's territorial integrity. Translation: no recognition, no shortcut, no unilateral move. And then Israel spoke. Calm, controlled, and calculated, by the way. Israel said that recognition of Somaliland was not hostile, not aggressive, not aimed at Somalia. Instead, Israel framed it as a chance for dialogue, a step further towards regional stability and a new diplomatic opening in the Horn of Africa. But you know what? At the UN, intent matters less than the impact. Let me tell you what's really happening here. Let's connect the dots. This is not about Somaliland, right? This is about something much more. Israel expanding diplomatic space, the US backing that expansion, and Russia and China positioning themselves as defenders of Muslim state. And yes, of course, Somalia becoming the battleground of narrative. But you know why Muslim world is so uneasy? Because recognition politics can cut deep. If Somaliland can be recognized, what stops similar moves elsewhere? What if Israel sets this particular precedent, supported by the US, others will follow this? That fear is real and it is now spreading. So here's the bigger picture. The UN showdown reveals something much more important. The global order is fragmenting, alliances are shifting, rules are being reinterpreted, and that too selectively. And recognition itself is becoming a key weapon. So in the end, where this leads us to, Somalia feels cornered, Somaliland feels empowered, Israel feels strategic, and the US feels unapologetic. After that, there is Russia and China. They smell opportunity. And the Muslim world, uneasy, watching and calculating.